The bridge between nouns. Mastering prepositions of agent or instrument. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning journey. In today's episode, we are diving deep into a very important element of English grammar: prepositions of agent or instrument. This video is designed to help you assess and improve your understanding and usage of these prepositions. To start off, let's recap what prepositions of agent or instrument are. These are words that show a relationship between the doer, the agent, or the tool, the instrument, of an action and the rest of the sentence. The common prepositions in this category are by, with, and using. For example, the painting was created by Picasso. She cut the vegetables with a knife. He repaired the bike using his toolbox. Next, we're going to dive into some practice exercises. Here's where you get to apply what you've learned. Remember, the more you practice, the more familiar you become with these prepositions, making it easier for you to use them correctly in your sentences. Question 1. Complete the sentence with the appropriate preposition. The house was built ____ the local construction company. Question 2. Choose the correct preposition to complete the sentence. She painted this masterpiece ____ only primary colors. Question 3. Fill in the blank with the right preposition. I fixed the computer ____ the new tools I bought. Now, let's check your answers and provide some feedback. Question 1. The correct answer is by. So the sentence should read, the house was built by the local construction company. Here, the construction company is the agent that performed the action of building. Question 2. The correct preposition here is with. The sentence should read, she painted this masterpiece with only primary colors. In this case, the primary colors are the instruments used to create the masterpiece. Question 3. The correct preposition is using. Therefore, the sentence is, I fixed the computer using the new tools I bought. Here, the new tools are the instrument used to fix the computer. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this episode helps clarify how to use prepositions of agent or instrument correctly in your English sentences. Remember, understanding and using these prepositions properly can significantly improve your English language proficiency. Keep practicing and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we learn. See you in the next video.